When you purchase your Singer Promise sewing machine, you are supplied with 3 spare needles. As well as the standard needles, you can also purchase more heavy duty needles for sewing the likes of leather and denim. If at any point you need to change your needle due to it being blunt, sewing on different fabric, or it's snapping, it's really quite simple. First thing you need to do is unthread the needle. As an extra precaution, I like to place some material or a piece of paper under the needle to stop it dropping into your machine. I also like to lower the presser foot just to give us a bit more room. Using the screwdriver that is also supplied in the accessory pack with your Singer sewing machine, we're going to use this end of it. We're going to pop that into the slit, into the screw, and we are going to turn it towards us, and that is going to release the needle. Now we're able to remove the needle from the machine. When you've got your new needle, you can see that the front of the needle is rounded. You will notice that the back of your needle is flat. When you insert your needle back into your machine, you need to make sure that the rounded part is at the front and the flat side is at the back. And then we can see it will just push back up into the holder. When your needle's in place, we're going to take the screwdriver again, pop it back into the slit, and we're going to turn it away from you. You don't need to turn it too much. It doesn't need to be really, really tight. It just needs to be tight enough to hold the needle in place. When your needle is securely in place, all that's left to do is to take your thread and rethread your needle. Now that's threaded, you're ready to continue sewing. Lift up the presser foot, remove the spare material, and put both of your pieces of thread to the back. Hope you enjoyed this video on how to change your sewing needle. If you are enjoying these videos, then please check out my other videos in my Singer Promise series, which are listed in a playlist below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.